step ensures that every cheesecake weighs the same, which is essential for maintaining uniform cooking times. What does it take to create millions of cheesecakes that satisfy dessert lovers across the nation? Stick around as we uncover the fascinating process behind bulk cheesecake production in cutting-edge American stories. Cheesecake is one of the most beloved desserts in America, with its creamy texture and luxurious taste appealing to dessert lovers everywhere. This treat has a history that spans centuries, with variations found in ancient Greece, Europe, and eventually making its way to the US, where it became a cultural phenomenon. From New York-style cheesecake to experimental flavors like pumpkin swirl and brownie explosion, there's a cheesecake for everyone. While bakeries like Junior's have mastered the art of small-scale perfection, what about the massive demand for cheesecake across the nation? That's where bulk production steps in, using technology, tradition, and innovation to churn out millions of cakes annually. Every cheesecake begins with its core ingredients, and in factories, the scale is mind-boggling. Imagine over 7 million pounds of cream cheese being processed every year. Factories don't just rely on store-bought ingredients. They partner with dairy suppliers to ensure their cream cheese is consistently creamy and flavorful. Alongside cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, and vanilla extract are added to craft the perfect batter. The sourcing of these ingredients is an intricate process in itself. For example, vanilla often comes from Madagascar, and quality control teams test each shipment to ensure it meets the factory's high standards. These ingredients form the backbone of what makes each cheesecake irresistibly rich and creamy. In bulk production, precision is key. The ingredients are combined in massive industrial mixing bowls, each capable of holding hundreds of gallons of batter. These mixers are no ordinary machines. They are equipped with sensors to maintain a consistent temperature and texture, ensuring that every batch of batter is identical. Each component is added in a specific sequence, starting with cream cheese and sugar, followed by eggs and heavy cream. Factories rely on computerized systems to monitor every step, reducing the margin for human error. It's this level of automation that makes it possible to create hundreds of cakes per hour without sacrificing quality. One of the elements that sets certain cheesecakes apart, like Junior's, is the crust. While most cheesecakes use a graham cracker base, Junior's stays true to its origins, using a slice of vanilla sponge cake as the foundation. This recipe, passed down through 3 generations, has become their signature. The sponge cake is baked separately, sliced into perfect discs by high-speed blades, and then placed into cheesecake pans. This base not only provides a unique flavor, but also ensures the cake has a sturdy, non-crumbly foundation, making it easier to handle during bulk production. Once the batter is ready, it's transferred to precision depositors. These machines are marvels of engineering, capable of measuring out exact portions of batter into each pan. This step ensures that every cheesecake weighs the same, which is essential for maintaining uniform cooking times. The depositors also minimize waste by reducing spills and ensuring every drop of batter goes where it's needed. Watching these machines in action is mesmerizing. They operate with robotic precision, filling hundreds of pans in just minutes. Here's where the real magic happens: flavor customization. Factories cater to a wide variety of tastes, offering options like strawberry swirl, chocolate marble, or pumpkin spice. To achieve these unique flavors, robotic systems inject syrups or pastes into the batter, creating intricate patterns without disturbing the texture. For instance, a strawberry swirl is created by injecting strawberry puree into the batter, then swirling it with automated paddles. This step not only enhances the flavor, but also gives each cheesecake its visually appealing design, ensuring no 2 cakes look exactly the same. Know that a water bath is essential for achieving the perfect bake. In factories, this technique is scaled up to massive proportions. Cheesecakes are placed in custom-designed baking racks, which are then submerged in shallow water baths before being moved into industrial ovens. The water bath creates steam, ensuring the cakes bake evenly and develop a creamy texture without cracking. These ovens are programmed to maintain precise temperatures, and sensors constantly monitor the environment to guarantee perfection. The result? cheesecakes that rise like soufflés but settle into the silky texture we all know and love. After baking, the cheesecakes are moved to cooling tunnels where they gradually return to room temperature. This step is crucial for maintaining their structure, as sudden temperature changes could cause cracks or shrinkage. Once cooled, the cakes are transferred to blast freezers, which operate at sub-zero temperatures. These freezers are designed to lock in freshness by freezing the cakes within minutes. This rapid freezing process preserves the cheesecake's creamy texture and extends their shelf life, allowing them to be transported across the country without compromising quality. Cheesecake isn't a one-size-fits-all dessert. Factories produce a wide range of flavors and styles to meet consumer demand. From classic New York-style cheesecake to innovative creations like red velvet or salted caramel pretzel, the options are endless. Seasonal varieties, such as pumpkin spice during fall or peppermint during the holidays, add a festive touch. Each flavor requires slight adjustments in the production process, whether it's incorporating new ingredients or tweaking baking times. This variety is a testament to the factory's ability to innovate while maintaining consistency. Packaging is more than just putting a cake in a box. It's an art form. Factories use automated systems to package cheesecakes quickly and efficiently. After freezing, each cake is shrink-wrapped to preserve freshness, then placed in branded boxes that often include serving suggestions and storage tips. These boxes are sealed with tamper-proof labels before being sorted for distribution. Whether destined for a supermarket, a restaurant, or direct-to-consumer shipping, every package is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Some factories even include QR codes on their packaging, allowing customers to trace the cheesecake's journey from production to purchase. Bulk production is not without its challenges. Ingredient shortages, inflation, and supply chain disruptions can all impact production. For example, the price of cream cheese doubled in recent years due to increased demand and limited supply. Factories must constantly adapt, finding new suppliers or tweaking production schedules to meet deadlines. Despite these hurdles, they remain committed to delivering high-quality products to their customers. One of the reasons cheesecakes remain so popular is their timeless appeal. Factories like Junior's refuse to compromise on their decades-old recipes, even when faced with rising costs. This dedication to tradition ensures that every bite of cheesecake tastes just as good as it did when the recipe was first created. It's a delicate balance, embracing modern technology while preserving the heart and soul of the dessert. The role of technology in cheesecake production cannot be overstated. Robotic arms, precision sensors, and automated systems work together to produce up to 5 million cheesecakes a year. These machines are not just efficient, they are also environmentally friendly, using less energy and reducing waste. For instance, advanced recycling systems allow factories to repurpose excess batter and packaging materials